Well, welcome to Victoria's Breakthrough Community, a place where I believe you are going to get to be a part of witnessing exponential, miraculous breakthrough. And that is not coming from a place of just speaking idly words. That is coming from a place of truly knowing without any doubt that dreams do come true, and that regardless of all circumstances, both present and past, all things are possible. Your past, I want to tell you, is perfect. Your past will not define your destiny. And I know this because I am living proof of it. So I just want to share a little bit about myself. I am the Tanya Fleischer, the author of this book, From Victim to Victor. I want to share up front that this is not a Christian community. This is a one-stop shop breakthrough spot. All right, but you will hear me speak of Jesus, and you will hear me speak of God. And truth bomb, whether you believe in God or not, He does exist. We are not alone. So on that note, I want to share that for me to truly help you at this stage of our journey, I need to really get you to shift the mindset. And why? Because, my friends, that's where it all begins. It starts actually in the mind and the heart. And then we speak, and so it is. Now, you've probably heard that repeatedly, but I want to tell you a truth. We are created in the image of God. We do not look like Him. I know that because I died a few years ago and got to spend time with Him. But we are created in His image, which means He's a creator God, and so we are creating all the time. So you're going to see there's a little section in here that says, introduce yourself. So first up, go and introduce yourself, and just a short introduction. And then maybe share like what you're hoping to gain in the time that you're here. Then you're going to see there's another category there that says wins. I would love for you to get into the habit of sharing a win in the community daily. So what is a win? A win is waking up and making your bed, getting dressed, going to do what you got to do, cooking a meal for your family. That's a win. And being able to go to the shop. These are wins. Now, they may sound small and mundane, but I promise you, when you go to bed at night, let me know, please, in the comments here, if you tend to generally go to sleep thinking about the things you just didn't get done that day. And like we beat ourselves up all the time, focusing on what we didn't do, instead of rewarding ourselves and going like, heck, well done. You got this done today. And friends, when you can start doing that, we're going to shift your mind a little bit, because you know what? We are so damn hard on ourselves. And when you start being kinder to yourself, you're going to start seeing magic happen. So a reminder, please go and introduce yourself and share wins daily. You'll also see there's a little encouragement category. That's like if you feel like you just want to put something in there to boost someone's day. That's what that's all about. And I really want to encourage you to share, because this is our community. When I say our community, I am saying mine, the Holy Spirit's, because I am being completely Spirit-led in this journey, and yours, because I know that you are going to add value that I could not dream of adding. And this is your space, and I want to serve you best. So what you can expect going through is, the plan was always to dive deeper into my book. But, how do you do that? I mean, I was offered a publishing contract for my life story. Awesome, exciting, miraculous. But I knew it was always to dive deeper into what's written between the lines. Like, how do I get to share this full experience in small bite sizes so that people are going to receive the kind of breakthrough that took me almost 50 years to receive? You're going to receive it quickly. I stand in awe at how God did this, because currently, my friends, I am almost blind. I am slightly disabled and I do have health challenges. And I always said, like, God, how am I going to do this? How? I know you want me to do this, but how? And it's just incredible how I ended up finding a blueprint to teach me how to get the message behind my book out. The blueprint ended up being a solution to us for finances and me being able to retire my husband. But the blueprint led me to this. And this is my passion, empowering others to be free. So I want you today to think about whoever it is you want to be. Who is it you want to be? What are the things you want to experience? Start thinking on those things, because, my friend, there's no accident that you hear. Those things are going to happen. Bless you and enjoy the journey.